Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, in the previous video, I informed you that the fighting between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force is approaching the A3 highway. And now different statements are coming from Tigray Defense Force and similar from Ethiopian National Defense Force. Viewers, the latest information received from Tigray Defense Force sources is the first to share with you. Tigray Defense Force sources have been told that heavy fighting is going on in the Amhara region, especially in the surrounding areas of Ibnat. And it has been said that during the war, Tigray Defense Force has captured dozens more Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allied soldiers. Images about it are also shared from Tigray Defense Force that you can see on your screen. And if you remember, in yesterday's video, I also informed you that Tigray Defense Force has claimed to catch hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers during the war. And the picture about it were also shared with you. And today, again, as claimed by Tigray Defense Force, Tigray Defense Force has further apprehended the Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers, which points to the Tigray Defense Force victories on this front. Viewers, at this time, Tigray Defense Force is looking strong in the surrounding areas of Ibnat. As you know, on the way out of Amdeburg, Amhara forces and Ethiopian National Defense Force broke the bridge on the river. But after a short time, Tigray Defense Force has rebuilt the bridge and extended the war to several more areas. And according to the reports from Tigray Defense Force, the war has spread to many more areas and heading towards the main road connecting Bahirdar and Gondar. And Tigray Defense Force taking control of the road connecting Gondar and Bahirdar can prove to be a turning point in this war. Viewers, while there are many claims from Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces that Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces are ready to fight against Tigray Defense Force, and heavy weapons are being installed. Viewers, as I have informed you for the last 2 days, Tigray Defense Force has been sharing pictures of prisoners of war. Viewers, in these pictures can be seen hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are under the control of Tigray Defense Force. And the main reason is that the Amhara forces and the Ethiopian army are recruiting civilians into the army. And after a few days of training, they are deployed to the battlefield. Since they have not received so much training that they can face the front forces and they can fight a big war against them, and in a short period of time of war, new recruit soldiers surrender. Viewers, on the other hand, the 4th division of the Eritrean army are already in the Amhara region. But according to the latest reports, more Eritrean soldiers have been called by the Ethiopian National Defense Force for their help. And there are reports that newcomers Eritrean soldiers are being deployed on A3 highway to prevent Tigray Defense Force from gaining control on A3 highway. Viewers, in addition, a small video clip was shared by Tigray Defense Force in which a few Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen. And this video is from the Amhara region, where heavy war is currently underway in several places. But you will see in this video that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are inviting music. So viewers, let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.
مريت حاول تدفع أغلقتها إلا بلاد ولا فترتها تقطعوا كنا أنصار فوري عم تصور صغير لا عمري مريت سير تقول دساينا تقع من بعد سلامي زبت أقر فكن فتنا فرحة أزغون غنت عليك أركيو نفسي أسفعني تيقوانا مسئنت بمسترك يا عبيد مستر تقرأ وينك بمسترك يا عبيد مستر تقرأ وينك